Here are the equality and inequality symbols to use in Excel. So we've got the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, the not equal to symbols, the equal to, the less than or equal to, and then the greater than or equal to. And here they're used with a really basic if function that will just do the test for that equality or inequality and then provide a yes or a no. So we've got one here and it just says if a1 is less than 1, give us a yes, otherwise give us a no. So because it is less than 1, we should see a yes. Now, if we go to 1, it is no longer less than 1. However, it is equal to 1. So we're going to use this function, this inequality instead. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. And now it should give us a yes.